Top 5 motorcycles that should not exist. 5. Dodge Tomahawk. A 500 horsepower V10 from a Dodge Viper stuffed into a motorcycle. 680 kilograms. 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. A theoretical 480 plus kilometers per hour top speed nobody has dared to prove. This isn't a bike. It's a science experiment gone wrong. 4. MTTY 2000A jet turbine superbike with 320 horsepower. It doesn't accelerate, it drags the horizon toward you. 3. Kawasaki H2R 310 horsepower of supercharged insanity, capable of touching 400 kilometers per hour with enough bravery. 2. Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 1 hit 312 kilometers per hour in 1999 and scared the entire industry into adding speed limiters. 1. BMW S1000RR HP4. Race carbon fiber body, 215 horsepower, lighter than some 300cc bikes. A track weapon that slices through physics.